Hello Year 11 Music Extension students and welcome to week 2. Today we're going to be talking about modulating melodies. I have my book open, my theory book open at page 10, so it'd be great if you could do that as well. Okay, so in grade 4, a melody will modulate or change key to only 2 different types of keys, either its dominant or its relative. So that's really easy, we've only got 2 options. We have to look at all of these examples here, work out what key the melody has started in and what key the melody has transitioned into. So obviously last week you have learned all of your key signatures really well. So I'll take you through the 4 steps that you need to be able to do to work out which key you're in and which key you've modulated to. Okay, so if we have a look at the very first one, we have 2 sharps, which means that we're either in D major or B minor. We look at the first note, it's a D, we're in D major. It's as simple as that. Okay, then we have to work out, step 2, what the relative is and what the dominant is. So we obviously already know that the relative is B minor because it's got 2 sharps, and then we have to count the dominant, which is the 5th note of the scale, to work out what the dominant is in D major. So we've got D, E, F sharp, G, A. So A major would be the dominant for D major. Okay, step 3 is we have to work out what the accidentals are in those 2 different keys, B minor and A major. So remember, every harmonic minor scale, which is all the types of minor scales that are going to come up in grade 4 theory, has a raised 7th. So if I play B minor with no raised 7th, it sounds like this. The 7th note needs to be raised in a harmonic minor scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our A becomes an A sharp. So that accidental exists in B minor. Now we have to work out the key signature for A major. We already know off the top of our heads that it is 3 sharps. D major has already 2 sharps, so the 3rd sharp that makes A major different to D major is G sharp. Now we look at our melody and we work out if we've got either, it's only going to have one of the 2 options, an A sharp or a G sharp. The A sharp makes it B minor, the G sharp makes it A major. We have a G sharp, we pretty much are going to be in A major, and the 4th step is you look at your very last note. What's that? It's an A. We have modulated from D major to A major, and A major is the dominant. Turns out I just got delivered some online shopping, but the knock at the door kind of scared me. Okay, and I'm going to play you the melody so you can hear that it starts in D major and ends in A major. Here we go. That's it. So now you need to go through all the rest of these examples and work out what key it started in and what key it's transitioned to. Okay, and now we have trivia. And I know that I'm a lot better at the piano than the recorder. Again, I'm going to play the recorder. Okay, so you get 1 point if you can tell me what soundtrack this is. Okay, good luck.